Hey you, and welcome to this video, and today I will show you how to make an organizational chart on Google Maps. This is quite simple and I will show you as quick as possible how to do this. Alright, go to Google Maps and click on blank document, and then right here we click on insert, then we go to drawing and then click on new. Then from here we need to draw the chart that we like. So what we need to do now is click here on shape, shapes, and then click here on rectangle and then throw it down just right here. Then double click on it and fill in boss. Then we click here on this rectangle, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and then we can place it a little bit more just right here. Change it to maybe sales manager. Now then we can click on this, put the line just right here by clicking first on the rectangle, then on the line. And then after this, now let's say we want more, we do Ctrl C, Ctrl V, put it just right here, click on line, put it there and then throw it to the boss again. Then we do Ctrl C, Ctrl V again, put it right there, click on the rectangle, line, put it from there to there, and right now we can play with it, because if we do this Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and we put it just right here, and we click on line, write this, we can do this for all the options. But this is exactly how you can build this organizational out for a chart. But right now if you click on save and close, you see that we have it just right here, exactly how we want it. So this is how you